quick recap. So I go on the 4 hour, boom, bullish, looking, whatever. 1 hour. I noticed that this 1 hour keeps getting respected like 20 gorjillion times, but overall we're bullish. Had a 1 hour inverse here. Bullish structure, respecting this gap after filling Henwag. Just like kind of looking bullish overall. We're in discount, obviously from all-time high. Reswept FOMC lows. So hypothetically we should go higher and not make fucking triple lows. I go on the 1 minute. I'm like, okay, we just had manipulation higher. I don't know if this was a news candle, but we had manipulation pre-market. I watched that happen live. Okay, let's take these highs. Let's manipulate higher above these highs and then go lower for the day. And what do? I enter pre-market and get manipulated out immediately for lots of contracts, and I have to de-risk. Okay, so I enter half size off of another 1 minute inversion. Good. Partial TP at equilibrium of this leg. Full TP at the 0.786 level, which I thought was good. Had a reaction off of. And then we just swept through. And if I look at the 5 minute, where I took that partial, is where I should have sized in. Because we inverted this 5 minute here. Although we were inside of this 5 minute, like, we're just bearish overall. Of course, we're not going to immediately react off of above equilibrium and go higher. I mean, I'm sure that could happen, but with the news, draws lower, anything can happen, but I was not in a position there. I just kind of watched it play out because my ultimate draw was these equal lows at the 5 minute. It's kind of all these equal lows here and this intermediate low. It's like, okay, I should have full TP'd there, whatever. Let me just continue to dump past this 1 hour. What I wanted to see happen was 10 a.m. a closure within here, and then an inverse of a 1 or 2 minute back to, its buy side. That's what I want to see happen, but we just kept dumping off the 1 hour. So when we inversed on the 1 hour, I took a short. And what happened? I went into another Discord, and bro was like, yeah, we just did a liquidity sweep here. We have a 1 minute inverse. I'm like, oh, he kind of has a point. We did have that 1 minute inverse after taking the London low. Taking the London low here. So, we did have the 1 minute inverse. Let me actually reverse my position. So I took a small loss. I was break even because I was like half sized here after taking that win. Should have taken it down to my ultimate draw, which is the 1 hour, or whatever. It's like break even. So now I'm like a small loss after reversing position for long. And what happens? We obviously are fucking not bullish, and I don't know why I listened to the dude. No shake to that guy, but like, I should just trust my own conviction. But would have got stopped out anyways, low key, right? Would have got stopped out by 2 ticks. Let me run full TP down to this unfilled 15 minute and previous day low. Not quite previous day low, but to this unfilled 15 minute, which is where my TP was. So, fucking, that's gay. And then I'm in here for long, right? In for long. Swept out, the final liquidity. Previous day low and sell side is right here. But I had this 2 minute. Like, I should enter off this 2 minute. I'm like, I'll wait for the 5 minute. So I wait for the 5 minute. I enter off the 5 minute. And I have my stop loss, right? I have my stop loss here. At here. It shouldn't come back down to this encroachment and breakaway gap. What happens? We take out this high. All right, I don't want to go quite break even, but I'll kind of I'll try my stuff up a little bit, to where we inverse on 5, right? or to this to the 1 minute structure swing low. What happens? I get stopped up by one tick. I get stopped up by one single tick. That's actually 10 ticks. Oh my fucking god, this shit is so annoying. Yeah, it's 10 ticks. So I get stopped up by 2 ticks, and what happens? We just fucking run to full TP, of course, bro. So I don't even know what to say for myself. Just fucking stop moving stop losses. Accept the risk of the trade. Go just full risk. I mean, do your risk, to be honest. Trust your own. Like, I'm probably just gonna end up leaving all of the live discords that I'm in because they're all like kind of ass cheeks, to be honest. That's a lot. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're good. They're profitable. It's just like I have to develop my own conviction, and I don't know why I seek external conviction for trades. It's gay. I should stop doing it. It's probably gonna run up at least a view up. Well, it's not view up right now. So yeah, but oh my god, that's so fucking gay. All right, 53 plus 53 plus 68. Yeah, so like, what am I doing right now, bro? What am I doing right now, bro? This could be the P&L if I wasn't retarded and gay. Actually, I would have got stopped out here. Let me be fair. Let me be fair and say I would have got stopped out here. Because alright, my fucking chart is so damn cluttered. Why did I have my stop there? Hello, where did it go? What the fuck? Alright. This is kind of a smarter stop, more probable stop, but like, dang, that's a big L. Why did I have my stop there? There must have been a reason that I'm overseeing. Oh. These like low resistance liquidity here. But there's a gap right above it, so why would I put my stop there? Am I actually brain dead? Also, it's like above EQ, which is a good spot for sure. So this was an A+ setup. This short was A+, and I took it, so that's good. Should have held for longer. This is a good setup, but not so A+ because the RR is kind of shit, and it's a high time frame play, but a low time frame price target. And this was me not paying it. Not that I wasn't paying attention, but like I should have taken the 2 minute entry and been chilling better. Stop here. Same target. Better RR. Well, I would have got filled like here probably because it instantly went up. 1 to 3. Didn't go single ticket drawdown. See, you get more precise entries with the lower time frame inversions, but you run the risk of it being invalidated because the higher time frame the inversion, the more valid it is, I believe. Just my belief. But also the shittier entry you get. Gonna make it. I'm back down to 0. My plan going forward for this week. Oh, this video is already dragging. Holy shit. Oh, it's only 10 minutes. I'm sure I'm gonna clip it up or cut it up as well. But okay, my plan for this week. There's a lot of red folder, a lot of net, still a lot of net. You know, comeback season. I have to pass this account this week, or else blow or pass it. Pause. Because the account costs $37, but to renew it, it's like $150, and I'd rather pass or blow it before we're paying that $150 yen. You feel me? to make sense. And I also forgot to turn off auto renewal on my Alpha Futures account, so I have 2 of those as well. So I'm actually getting rinsed on fucking fees, and I'm only doing 1 at a time. It's so annoying. So I have to remember to. Those renew on the 22nd, so I have time still for Alpha Futures, but this one renews on the 12th. So let's see. You're in the trade. You're in the trade replay right now. Free market. All right, just got that high. Got a 1 minute inverse. My fucking speaking out. There wasn't even a 1 minute inverse. Why did I take that? Am I fucking sad? All right, bang. Let me sell. 10 units. Think. Stop. Very reasonable amount there. Let's see if down here. All right, here we go. All right, ignoring the fact that I was taking partials there. Let me get to my next fucking. All right, I believe this is the 1 hour. Even though I take on the next minute candle. Full risk. Damn, that's why it's a fat ass stop loss. But that just rinsed me around. I can't be doing that. Offer a 1-to-1. Oops. But don't trade the P&L. I keep trading P&Ls. Stop trading the P&Ls and start trading the trade concepts, and you'll be better off. Boom. TP it. Order fucking failed, bro. Alright. 10. Stop loss at the swing low. WP at bang bang. This is big. Big trade. Big trade. Big trade here. I'll do partial TP here though. Okay. Bam. Bam. Oh, chopped. Yeah, so chopped. Roundabout there. Max drawdown. Yeah, this is not good at all. This is obviously A+ setup. Very good. Not good at all. Higher time frame inversion for lower time frame. Take profit. Probably will not take those in the future. That's just greedy. And this was also A+. Good liquidity sweep. 2 minute inversion. Last time frame on that leg down. Practically nothing to draw down. Probably this might just a fee. Good partials. Significant draws. Reason why I partialed there is because this is like premium of this current leg. So it's like if we're gonna have a reaction, it'll be there. Just kind of flush through. Devil's Mark, which is in my opinion a good draw. And then finding that MBI there, which was a struggle after accumulation. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We're higher if I click off this. Resist this 1 hour again, that'd be crazy. I think we are gonna go higher, but may have a correction during launch. We'll see. Yeah, there's a trade recap. Down bad fucking hours right now. Just absolutely like fried psychology and fried fucking like I just gotta get my psychology right, and I'm gonna leave those discords and not fucking move my stop loss, because I feel like you lose more going break even and trailing stop than if you just accept the risk and then you just go in. Because like this happens every fucking time. Like I get break even and then we run full TP. Like I know where today I knew exactly where price wanted to go. As far as here, after that 1 hour inversion, I knew where price wanted to go, right? After that liquidity sweep and inversion, I knew where price wanted to go. So it's like the hardest part is psychology for me. And it's funny because when I was paper trading, it was the opposite. I was like, oh, this is so easy. But it's like, it's different. Even though it's not even real money. Like, this is not even my money. This is a paper account, but I had to pay for it. Right? So it's like, it's only $37, but for some reason it gets me. So, yeah. It's fucking buns. If I could just lock in, I would make so much bread. But I think with that type of attitude towards it, I'm going to be stuck unprofitable. So I just need to focus on figuring out where price wants to go and put my money where my mind is and fucking lock in here. This Q4, I made $100,000. Today I made 7 million gajillion bajillion dollars. Fucking buy my fucking $1 gajillion mentorship, bitches. Also, buy access to my Discord. Oh, alright. Dude, another thing, bro. I was like up really fucking late. I was up to like 5 in the morning. But I kind of like checked the charts when London session started. I was like, yeah, we're gonna accumulate here, and then have a entry. Oops. What did I see? It was like a 1 minute. I think it's this one. So yeah, we're kind of accumulating on layer 2 VWAP, and I see like this 1 minute. I'm kind of tempted to take it, but I don't want to gamble. It felt like gambling for some reason. Why does it feel like gambling? And literally, no, that's ridiculous. Like swing low, back to Asia high. Again, that 1 hour. The fucking uber respected 1 hour. You're in for a fucking 125.5, risking nothing, and it just like felt like gambling to me. And I don't know, like after the NWOG, of course, like after the NWOG got filled, you see this. Let me turn on the indicator. I was like, yes, NWOG got filled, but it felt like gambling, and it wasn't. Liquidity sweep, highest time frame of the current leg inversion, and then responsible stop loss and take profit. I mean, that's irresponsible take profit. Let's be honest. It's like gluttonous, greedy ass take profit. If we're being honest, like, bro, this was so free, and I knew it was free, and I still didn't take it. So like, something's really wrong with me psychologically. Also, this is like the craziest like run up ever. Just had no retraces. That's crazy. But like, yeah. Is an inversion, but I don't really feel too good about it because again, it's not in discount. Which is why this looked appealing to me, is like in discount on NWOG after accumulation with a bullish bias. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to someone if they're struggling starting trading like I am. It's like, I should just kill myself.